Hello and welcome to the course. Now before we get into all the formulas, I'm going to explain to you exactly what a VLOOKUP and a HLOOKUP is. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup and HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. And all that is it tells Excel how it's looking through the data. That isn't too important at this point. What I'm going to explain to you is what is the concept behind it. Now VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP or lookups in general is something that you've probably done in your life. I'm betting you have. So imagine you have a textbook. Imagine you have an encyclopedia. At the end of the encyclopedia, near the last pages, you have what's called an index. And in there you have a bunch of keywords and then the page that your keyword is on, or the pages that your keyword is on. From that page number, you go to the page and you find whatever information you're trying to look for. Right? That's how a VLOOKUP works. So if I was to break it down into the three elements, let's scroll down. We have these three elements. Let's go down further. So again, made up of three elements. Firstly, what are you looking for? So let's say you're you're looking for the word dog, or you're looking about information about a dog. So what are you looking for is the word dog. Where are you looking? In the encyclopedia. That's the second element. Where are you looking? And the third element is, once you find the page, what kind of information corresponding to the word dog do you hope to extract? And that's it. That's how VLOOKUPs work. Now in Microsoft Excel, it works almost exactly the same, except instead of you flicking through the pages, all you do is you write the formula, you tell it what you're looking for, you select the area where you think that your item is, and then you tell it, in this column or in this row, I want you to pull out whatever information is there corresponding to what I'm looking for. And that's what VLOOKUP and HLOOKUPs are. So I hope you're excited as me, and let's get straight into it. I'll see you at the next lecture.